Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an O2 sensor on a Subaru Legacy. First, prioritize safety by parking on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. You will need to raise the front of your vehicle using a floor jack and secure it with 2 jack stands. Always disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent any electrical shorts during the process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe repair. Next, you'll need to locate the oxygen sensor. Subaru Legacy vehicles typically have at least 2, an upstream sensor before the catalytic converter and a downstream sensor after it. The front sensor is often found on the exhaust manifold, while the rear is in the exhaust pipe. Once located, follow the wiring from the sensor to its electrical connector. Carefully release any safety tabs or clips, then gently disconnect the electrical plug by wiggling it apart. Now it's time for removal. Use a 22mm oxygen sensor socket and a ratchet to unscrew the old sensor from the exhaust pipe. These can sometimes be stubborn, so a penetrating lubricant might help. Before installing the new sensor, check if its threads are pre-coated with anti-seize compound. If not, apply a small amount to prevent future seizing. Carefully thread the new sensor into the exhaust bung by hand to avoid cross-threading. Then tighten it securely with your O2 sensor socket. With the new sensor in place, reconnect its electrical connector, ensuring the safety tab clicks into position. Secure the wiring harness back into any retaining clips to prevent it from touching hot exhaust components. Reinstall any parts you removed for access, like a wheel well liner. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable. You may need to clear any lingering check engine lights using an OBD2 scanner to complete the replacement process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.